Ostiglia is a comune in the province of Mantua, in the Italian region Lombardy, located about 160 kilometers southeast of Milan and about 30 kilometers southeast of Mantua. In the 1st century BC it was the birthplace of writer Cornelius Nepos. From 774 onwards it was part of the Frankish Empire. Arnaldo Mondadori Editore, the largest publisher in Italy, was founded at Ostiglia in 1907. In the Middle Ages it was a stronghold of Verona, which built here a castle in 1151. During World War II, it was liberated by the 88th Infantry Division on April 25, 1945.